Hello, good morning, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to another episode at Sharp Byte IT. Today we've got an interesting one. We've got a Amd Ryzen 5000 series CPU. So this one is a Ryzen 7 5700G. So this is 8 core 16 thread processor. This is going into a server, so it just requires the CPU power, doesn't require any really graphics processing power. So in that respect it is great for a server environment. So managed to get one in a box. I did open up just to check it. All is good. So here's the box. There's not a lot to it. All the standard stuff on the back. I thought I would talk about this due to the memory price at the moment. I just thought it is still relevant, and you still get 5000 series CPUs brand new. So if anyone's looking for one, aim for memory is the one that's compatible with these. So we have a Wraith Stealth cooler that comes included. It's a standard Wraith Stealth with some thermal paste already pre-applied. Pop it back in there because we're actually already got a cooler included. We have AMD installation guide. Which is pretty stock standard and easy. And you've got the CPU with a sticker if you want to use it. And there's the pins. Sorry about the shadow. Couldn't see where my light was. I think it was needing charging. So it's about to go in one of our servers. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. Have a great, wonderful rest of your day. Cheers.